Hey guys, Chef Garces here. I'm super pumped to share my Romesco sauce. It's my all-time favorite Spanish sauce. Takes on just about anything. So I have my roasted peppers here. Throw those right in. Whole roasted plum tomatoes. 5 roast garlic cloves. Boom. My almonds. A little bit of honey. Red pepper flake. Vinegar. That's my sherry vinegar. A little olive oil. A little bit of salt. For my Romesco, I made a little roast asparagus today. I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan and then just some of our Romesco. Dip in a little Romesco. A little tanginess from the sherry vinegar. The almonds give it some nice body and flavor.